Welcome back to my daily report market analysis videos with me, Richard Perry, market analyst at Hantec, on Monday the 14th of September. We're going to move on to cable now, which has started to engage in a little bit of a recovery. The first signs of life for the sterling bulls in probably the last 2 weeks, really, where you've seen significant declines back from 34.80, that high. It's unwound, interestingly enough, it's unwound back to 28.10. Well, you could sort of blow that out to 26.50 to 28.10. These old highs from April, May, June and July. The breakout then becomes supportive because old resistance becomes new support. Now, how the market reacts in this area is interesting because it seems to be 27.60 has been finding as a basis of support in recent sessions. Now, the market has broken the uptrend, and that uptrend was coming up here. Actually, it's the final uptrend that you've really got in place since the recovery kicked in. So subsequently, you'd be turning more neutral on a medium-term basis on cable, and how the market reacts around this support area 26.50 to 28.10 could determine whether you remain neutral or whether you start to sort of turn more positive again, or even go negative and bearish. I think below 26.50 you do start to get that more corrective negative mindset going on for cable. But back above 130 big figure, you've got the 29.80 to 30 big figure resistance area. Back above there, you'd be turning more positive again, because at the moment you do still have this downtrend in place for the last 2 weeks, and essentially this little rebound is just an unwind within that downtrend. So the market is very much sort of in a state of change at the moment, and whether it's going to be sort of sustaining support around that sort of 27.70 mark and then rebuilding again, or whether that's just a near-term move and then it just loses all sense of bullish sterling, because at the moment the risk is certainly that the EU trade talks are not going well, and that would be sterling negative. So very interesting moments here for sterling dollar. Technically speaking, it's looking far less positive than it was, and it could turn into neutral at best. Seemingly at the moment that's where we are, but potentially even further correction. So interesting state of change on sterling dollar. On the immediate term basis, you've got this resistance at 28.80. Old support becomes new resistance, testing that at the moment. Breaking out through that, you come back towards the 29.80 to 30 big figure area. So interesting moments for sterling. But I wish you good luck in your trading today. Click here to subscribe to our analysis videos. Go to our website to sign up for our webinars, and click to watch Trader Talks, our videos that give you top trading ideas.